In today's art lesson, we will learn how to draw and paint a cartoon lion. So let's get started. You will need a piece of paper. I am using some watercolor paper here, but you can use any type of paper that you have available to you. You will need something to apply color to your drawing. So I'm going to be using some watercolor paints, but you can also use crayons or markers. You can use colored pencils. It's completely up to you. You will need a paintbrush and a cup or a bowl with clean water. You will need something to draw with. I'm going to be using a black oil pastel, but you can certainly use a crayon or a permanent marker. And you will need a handy dandy paper towel just in case you have a spill or something that you need to clean up. Let's go ahead and pick up our drawing utensil. We're going to come about a quarter of the way down our sheet of paper. So we're going to start about right here. And we're going to create a shape that looks like this. So it's a square, but it also has rounded corners. All right, this is going to be the head of our cartoon lion. Now we're going to create some ears, about right here. So 1, 2 ears. And then we're going to create a mane. And the way that I create a mane is I just make a zigzag line all the way around that head and face of the lion. Let's create a body for our lion. So we're going to create a curved line and a curved line. Remember, this is a cartoon, so it's not going to be that realistic. And then we're going to make 2 lines and then some toes down here. So 2 lines and then some toes. And then if you'd like to add some lines here coming out of the toes, these can be the nails of the lion. Now we're going to close up this space. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a tail. So I don't have that much space for a tail, so my tail is going to be pretty small. I'm just going to make a curved line coming out and then another curved line coming out. And then I'm going to make a spiky tail like this. Now let's create a face. So I'm just going to create some dots, some large dots here for the eyes, but you can choose to make any type of eye that you like. And I'm going to create a triangle nose and then a mouth. And my mouth is just going to come straight down. Make a few whiskers here. I'm just going to have 2 short whiskers, but if you'd like more whiskers or you'd like them to be longer, that would be fine as well. And then I'm going to make some grass here. Zigzag lines going up and down. And then I'm going to make some little lines here. This represents grass. Now I don't have much space around my lion to add any other details, but if you do, you can add some clouds or some little birds flying or ladybugs, anything that you like. Once you are finished with your design, go ahead and put your drawing utensil down and then we will start applying color. I am going to be applying some watercolor paints to the design. I'm going to use a light orange and a darker orange on my lion. I'm going to use the lighter orange right here in this space. And then I'm going to use the darker orange for my mane. So the body and the head, they're going to be this lighter orange. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to take my time painting. Now I'm going to paint the nose black, and so I'm going to use just a tiny bit of black, and it'll be more of a dark gray, I guess I should say, but I'm using black paint. And then I'm going to go ahead and I am going to paint the grass down here at the bottom, and then for the sky, I think I will paint the sky blue. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alrighty friends, I'm finished painting my design, and I hope that you had a lot of fun with this project. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. I'll see you next time.